And then she said,
Let it all work out. Let it all work out. Let it all work out.
yeah.
Let it all work out. Let it all work out.
Don't you a monster. Looked in the mirror, but you wasn't there. I couldn't find you. I'm looking for that big old smile full of diamonds. Instead, I found this letter you ain't finished writing. It read, I'm sorry for even apologizing. I tried compromising and went kamikaze.